how to reset your passwords on Letterboxd. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to change your password on Letterboxd? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your browser and then head over to letterboxd.com. Now go to your profile and then go to settings. Now you need to go to the AUTH, that means authentication tab. And then here you can see change password option. For that, you'll need to enter your current password and then put in your new password. Make sure that it is unique and has special characters and numbers, and then confirm your new password and then change it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.